Hi boys and girls and parents and families. We're going to be going through each letter of this book this year. It's called Alphabreaths, the ABCs of Mindful Breathing. I'm going to be doing a video for each letter so you can practice each breathing technique that goes with each letter. So this book was written by Christopher Willard and Daniel Rechtschaffen, and it's illustrated by Holly Clifton Brown. So let's start with A. ABCs of mindful breathing. A is for alligator breath. Open your arms wide like alligator jaws on the in-breath and snap them shut on the out-breath. So let's try it together. So we're going to open our arms wide like an alligator's jaws and snap them shut as we breathe out. Awesome. Let's do 4 more just like that. Breathing in. Awesome. You can practice that on your own anytime you want. I'll see you for the next video for B. Bye.